I have always wanted a white Tesla interior, and I finally have it. But believe it or not, these are seat covers. All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from Northern Tesla. So way back in 2020, I got my first Tesla. My buddy at the time who recommended Tesla had the white seats, and he swore by them. But I just didn't want, like most of you, I didn't want to take the risk. I have small kids, and I just wasn't convinced that the white seats were going to hold up. Well, they did. My friend they still look new, brand new. So that wasn't a concern. So I always told myself, my next Tesla, I will have white seats. But then when I got this was when the new Refresh 3 came out, Highland, so they were getting rid of inventory. And for some reason, they did not have white seats available in Canada. So here we are with the black seats again. But I now have an option for white, and I am so excited. So Yeslak sent me over their white seat covers. So these things, I hope, look amazing. I haven't opened the box yet, so I don't know what they look like. But my big criteria for seat covers is that, one, they fit properly and you're not going to notice that you're sitting on a seat cover, and two, it looks like the original car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically change this car into a white interior, so I have the white seats as well as the white trim panels as well. So we're going to go ahead and convert this car to a white one, and hopefully my fear of missing out on a white Tesla is no longer. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's see what they look like. I am very excited. I'm just gonna take these up for a quick second. I'm just gonna hold on to these for a second. So these are the covers. So I'm totally gonna white out my car and make it look like a white interior. So these are, so you see here, white covers to go on the door panels, basically hide all that wood trim. So I'm gonna check these out later. Feels a little more leathery than the car one, I would say. So you can see here on the back, there's basically a zipper over here. It's going to tie up. It looks like one piece. So you're just going to slip this on, basically like a cover, and see what it looks like. So I do definitely like, there's perforated over here. You can see that. So definitely, it feels really nice. I'm really hoping that it kind of fits really nice. So let's go ahead and install that and see how it looks like. so I'm sure you guys want to know what I think about these seat covers. Now, I've had them on about a month, and I usually don't wait this long for a review, but the reason I did is because when you first take them out of the box and you put them on, I'm not gonna lie, they kind of looked like they're not gonna fit, and there's lots of creases, there's lots of folds, and they don't look good. I reached out to the company. They assured me, just be patient, give it time, and I did. And as you sit in them, the creases go away and they kind of wear out. So not to worry. So if you put them on and you're like, oh my god, don't worry. As you can even see the difference between like the driver's seat here and the passenger seat. Like obviously, I don't sit in the passenger seat that much, so there's a couple folds and creases that are still kind of there, but the ones on the driver's side are completely gone. So don't worry if you get a little freaked out when you first put them on. And the other reason I want to wait is that I want to see like how they wear and tear. Like my friend who has the original white seats, who has two kids, swears by them. As long as you clean up a mess right after it happens, there's no issues. And that's what I kind of found with these seats is that as soon as you clean up, if there's a mess, you clean up. There is obviously a little bit more maintenance to do because they are white and they show off a little more dirt. So whereas, I'm sure on my dark seats, the black seats, the dirt was always there. You just don't see it as often or as much. So you just gotta clean a little more often with these white seats. All right, at the start of the video, I mentioned that there was two things I was looking for. Basically how they look and how they fit. Now, in terms of looks, like obviously you can see they look amazing. I love the stitching and the perforation. A very much upgrade on my car because I don't have the perforation. And the stitching looks exactly like the original Tesla. So I've had a few people in this car who did not know I had a black interior, and they did not have no clue. Once I told them there was covers, they were blown away. So in terms of looks, excellent. Now, in terms of fit, you're not going to get a perfect fit. You're not going to get an actual seat cover that looks like it's actually an actual seat. I don't think it's possible. But this is definitely like 4.5 stars to 5. So overall, I'm really impressed with the look. My only concerns, there's mostly in the back seat. This little area here, I feel it could be, it's not really done nicely, along with the flap down there. The only benefit is it does give you more protection against the kicks from the kids. And up here is the seat belt. Now, obviously it's a seat cover, so you need a hole for the seat belt. So there's really no way around that, but that's really the only issue. And then down here, you see a gap. There's a visible gap here. So with the backseat seatbelt, because of the added material here, you'll notice that it might be harder to put the seatbelt in. But after a while, it does loosen up and you are able to buckle up, no problem. As far as seat heaters go, the heat is a bit dulled, so you're not getting quite the intensity as before, but it still works just fine. All right, so one thing I want to do is do a spill test to see, because see the perforations, I want to see how much exactly is going to leak in between. So I'm going to drop a bit of water here. So just going to clean it up first. All right, so spill gone. So let's unhook the thing. So you can see there's a bit of water here and not so much down at the bottom there. So definitely here. So just keep in mind. But I definitely do recommend these along with the covers for the dash. Really transforms your car, especially if you have the dark interior. This will, night and day difference. I love it. I'm definitely going to keep these on. And the other thing too is they add protection. So, my kids in the back, they're not going to scratch or they're not going to, ruin the back seats. Especially I have a dog, so I'm not worried about having a dog in here because, at the end of the day, I can just replace these. It's like they're not going to damage the seats. So that is another benefit of having these seat covers. So they look awesome and they add a bit of protection. All right, so along with the white seats, I did get the covers that go on top of the dash. So cover that wood grain finish as well as the side. And I highly recommend these. They were super easy to install. Took 2 seconds, remove some tape, put them on, and they fit amazingly. You would never notice that there was a cover. And even if you don't get the white seats, I highly recommend those if you just wanted something different other than the wood grain finish. All right, if you want to get yourself a set of these awesome, amazing seat covers, as well as the front dash covers, definitely head over to yeslak.com. I will have the link in the description and use promo code NortonTesla for 25% off. That is a huge savings. Take advantage of that. Anything on the site, 25% off. Norton Tesla promo code. So use that, yeslak.com. Head over there. They have all their cool stuff. I just reviewed their ambient lighting stuff. I love as well. So head over there. Tons of awesome stuff and use promo code Norton Tesla. Don't forget. All right, if you found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I release about every week or so. So you get notified of tons of awesome Tesla content, access to reviews, FSD drives, how-tos, tips and tricks, Tesla 101, all kinds of awesome stuff. So don't forget to subscribe. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next week. In the meantime, drive safe and drive electric. A white Tesla. So I have wanted a. All right, if you want to get yourself if you want to get a set of these awesome, amazing. Now at the start of the video, I said I was looking for blood, sweat, and tears go into these videos. Anyways, so as I said at the start of the video, the thing I really want to see is how they look and how they feel and how they fit. Was it 2 things or 3 things? 2 things. How they look and how they fit. So